Good morning, all of you, once again. Now, in the last week, we have completed our lesson number 1, the poem, that is The Squirrel. Hope you have understood the exercises and the question answers. Now, from today, we will start our next lesson, page number 16, lesson number 2, The Little Red Hen. Now, in the page number 16, on page number 16, one activity is given. You have to help this chick. You have to help this chick and you have to reach till her mom. So, you can do it on your own. Please do it with the help of pencil. You have to find the way so that this chick can meet her mom. Got it? Now, we will be starting with the page number 17. We will be starting the chapter. Once upon a time, there lived a little red hen and her small chicks. Now, once upon a time, there were a little red chick. Can you see this picture? This is little red hen, and these are the chicks. Chicks are the babies of the hen. So, they all lived in a tiny cottage. Cottage means small kind of homes or houses. They all lived in a small cottage. The chicks looked like soft golden balls. Can you see this picture? They are very small. In this picture, they are a little bit bigger, but actually they are very much small, soft and almost golden in colors, and they look like just small balls. The little red hen worked very hard to feed her little chicks. Now, this little red hen, their mother, what she do is she works very hard to feed her little chicks. Feed means she is bringing her food to give them so that they can eat. She liked to sing and dance as she worked. Now, what she is doing when she works, she likes to sing and dance. Sometimes what happen with us also, like we are studying and we want to sing, so we will sing. Now we want to dance, we also dance. Or like we are watching TV and we are seeing our favorite song, so you want to dance, so you start dancing. So here also the little red hen is she is loving her work, and when she is doing the work, she sings and dances. One day the little red hen was out walking with her friends, the lamb, the goose and the cat. Now one day what happened, this little red hen was walking with her friends. And who are the friends? The lamb, the goose and the cat. 3 of them are her friends, the lamb, the goose and the cat. When they were walking and talking, she found a few grains of wheat. Now, when they were walking and talking, and she found, this little red hen found what? Grains of wheat. Grains are small kinds of grains which you see. Can you see this picture here in the corner? So, these are the small kinds of grains of wheat. Who will help me plant these grains? Now what she asked, this little red hen is asking to her friends that who will help me to put these grains, to plant these grains? She asked. No, not I, said the lamb. What did the lamb said? Not I, said the lamb. He is not interested in planting those grains. Not I, said the goose. Now, the goose is also not interested in planting the grains. Not I, said the cat. Now, the cat is also saying that I will not help you in planting these grains. Now, all the 3 friends of this little red hen has said no, that they will not help her to plant the grains. The little red hen looked at the grain of wheat. Then she looked at her. Now, the little red hen looked at the grains of the wheat. Now, what she is doing, all the 3 friends have denied. Now, what she is doing is she looked at the grains of the wheat. She is looking to these grains. Then she looked at her friends. Once she looked here and then she looked to the friends. All the three friends, that is lamb, goose and the cat. Then she looked at her friends. Very well, I shall plant these myself, she said, and she did just that. Now, what is she telling? That very well, I shall plant it on myself, she said, and she did that. What she said? She said, no, okay, nobody wants to help me, so on my own I will plant these grains, and she did that. Now, very well, I shall plant that myself, she said, and she did just that. Early one morning, the little red hen went out to see where she had planted the wheat. Now, the day has finished. She went to sleep, and then tomorrow, early morning, the little red hen went out to see where she planted the wheat. Now, where she has planted the wheat, early morning she went there to see what happened. She saw tiny green sprouts coming out of the ground. Now, what has happened? These are sprouts. From that, when we soak the things into this one, what? In the mud, then what happens to we should water them, we should give sunlight. After few days, what will happen? The plant will grow suddenly, and the small things this is called as sprouts. So what is she saw? She saw tiny sprouts coming out of the ground. She was very happy. The wheat she had planted was growing. Now, why she was very happy? Because what she has planted has the sprouts coming out from them. So, she is very happy. Hurry, come and look at the wheat, she cried to her chicks. Hurry, what? She is telling, hurry up, come here and see, look at the wheat, and she cried to her chicks. The wheat grew and grew all summer. It slowly changed from green to golden yellow. Now, again and again, the plants are coming more bigger and bigger. And what happened from that? From green till it becomes to the golden yellow. Who will help me pick the wheat? Asked the little red hen. Now, the little red hen is asking that who will help me? She is asking that who will help me. So today only one page we will be doing. Just revise this, and in the next we will be moving further. Till then, thank you and bye bye children.